Hello and welcome to the In News series section of Drishti IAS. I am Aisha and in today's episode we will be discussing about the topics of the TRIPS agreement of the WTO and what is India's joint call for the review of TRIPS agreement and also the relationship of TRIPS with the CBD, that is the Convention on Biological Diversity. So let's see first of all about the points of discussion. First we'll be looking at the news, then what is India's joint call with other countries, then about India's demand, in the end what is TRIPS agreement, then the prelims practice question. This topic is of relevance from General Studies paper 3, that is economy and also environment, because CBD comes under environment and TRIPS agreement comes under economy. So let's begin. The news talks about India, Bangladesh, Egypt. So India with Bangladesh and Egypt, they have called for the joint call for TRIPS review which focus on development. So a review of the TRIPS agreement, and TRIPS agreement stands for the trade related intellectual property rights, and this is an agreement which comes under the World Trade Organization. So there are many agreements under WTO and one of them is TRIPS. So the news is that the World Trade Organization's 13th Ministerial Conference took place in Abu Dhabi, but this conference failed. So the conference failed to extend the temporary waiver of certain intellectual property rights to the production of COVID-19 related therapeutics and diagnostics. Now what happened was that with regard to the COVID-19, which the first and the second deadly waves which took place in the year 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022, and lakhs of people have lost their lives. So with regard to it, the COVID-19 vaccines plus its related drugs or medicines which were created, it was said that the temporary waiver needs to be given on certain intellectual property rights, and those intellectual property rights on which temporary waiver was being asked was with regard to the COVID-19 vaccines, medicines, diagnostics or therapeutics. So the WTO 13th Ministerial Conference which happened in Abu Dhabi, it failed to do so. So the WTO meeting has failed to do so. Now what is the joint call which India, Bangladesh, Colombia and Egypt, they have together made the joint call. So this joint call was at the WTO for review of the TRIPS agreement. So the joint call is talking about that the TRIPS agreement review should be done with regard to few of the provisions of the TRIPS agreement or the TRIPS agreement with regard to the COVID-19 vaccine and its related drugs. A review needs to be done. Then the focus on development dimension, technology transfer and other concerns of developing countries building on the lessons learned during the pandemic. So it is saying that during the pandemic, the lessons which was learned with regard to the health infrastructure, with regard to the vaccines and the related drugs, and how important is it for every country to be prepared, or how important is it for the world to be prepared in future if any kind of emergency takes place, and specifically with regard to the developing countries and the least developed country, because the developed countries are the countries which has the required infrastructure and also the required scientific knowledge and the research and development team that they can work towards it, or they can work for the safeguard of their own people. But it is the developing countries and the least developed countries or the vulnerable countries which faces the maximum problem. So with regard to the developing countries and the least developed countries, a review needs to be done of the TRIPS agreement. And the focus on development dimension, technology transfer. Technology transfer becomes an important aspect because the developed countries have the capital, have the infrastructure, have the required scientific knowledge that they can develop the technology, but the developing and the least developed country do not possess that. So the technology transfer needs to be there. So a review of this TRIPS agreement with regard to this was a joint call from India, Bangladesh, Colombia and Egypt. Then the long pursued examination of the relationship between the TRIPS agreement and the CBD, that is the Convention on Biological Diversity, and the protection of traditional knowledge and folklore. So a long pursued examination, so a long demand or a long review which has been in place since a long period of time, it was also asked that this also needs to be done, and this relationship or examination is with regard to the relationship between TRIPS, that is the Intellectual Property Rights Agreement on one side, and the CBD on the other side, that is the Convention on the Biological Diversity. I will be telling you that why is the relationship is being talked about. That examination of these two coming together or a relationship between these two should be seen. And the protection of traditional knowledge and folklore. So the traditional knowledge protection should also be talked about. Then what is India's demand? So India's demand, so the CBD, that is the Convention on Biological Diversity, recognizes countries' sovereign rights over their biological resources. So CBD, because it talks about the Convention on Biological Diversity, it means that the biological diversity is being talked about with regard to the CBD Convention. A country's biological diversity, a country's biological resources is what the CBD looks into, and it is legally binding also. And TRIPS agreement allows members to provide patents over biological resources. So sovereign rights over biological resources is what CBD looks into, and providing patent over biological resources is what TRIPS agreement looks into. So when both are looking into the aspect of biological resources, one with regard to sovereign rights and the other with regard to patents, so if these two, CBD and TRIPS agreement, comes together and the relationship can be established, then the examination can be done of their relationship. So this can be a fruitful step which can be taken, because these two, if they come together, they will work towards protection of the traditional knowledge, traditional things, and also that folklore, traditional folklore. Then India and several other developing nations have been long demanding changes in the TRIPS agreement. So India with regard to the other developing nations, and if we talk about from the perspective of WTO, that is the World Trade Organization, then any country can give the tag of developed or developing to themselves. So India and several other developing nations have been demanding since a very long period of time the changes in the TRIPS agreement. Then to bring in conformity with the CBD and have rules that prevent biopiracy and protect traditional knowledge. So for the protection of the traditional knowledge and also preventing biopiracy is what they are demanding, said that the biopiracy should be moved out and the protection of the traditional knowledge or traditional folklore or traditional sentiments should be done. With this regard, CBD and TRIPS agreement needs to come together, and few of the provisions of the TRIPS agreement needs to be looked into also. So this was the demand that India is making a joint call with other countries, that is coming together of TRIPS agreement and CBD, changes in the TRIPS agreement, and then why CBD and TRIPS should come together, that is both are looking into the aspect of biological resources, one from sovereign rights perspective and the other from patents perspective, because TRIPS is an agreement which talks about protecting the intellectual property rights, be it patents, be it copyrights, be it geographical indications, all these things comes under TRIPS agreement, and TRIPS comes under WTO. There are many agreements within WTO and one of them is TRIPS. Now let's talk about TRIPS. So the Intellectual Property Rights Agreement talks about, it is an international legal agreement between all the member nations of the World Trade Organization. So you need to be remember that TRIPS is associated with the WTO, and it establishes minimum standards. Minimum standards means that minimum this has to be done. Below this, things cannot be accepted. So it establishes a minimum standards for the regulation by national government of different forms of intellectual property as applied to nationals of other WTO member nations. So intellectual property can be anything. It can be patent, it can be copyright, it can be geographical indication with regard to literature, art, authors, literary work, published items of any author. So it can be anything, because it protects the work of the artistic work, you can say, new innovations. So it is the work, it is the job of the TRIPS agreement to give protection to these intellectual property rights. Then it was negotiated at the end of the Uruguay round of the GATT. It was between 1989 and 1990 and is administered by the WTO. You need to remember the name or the round of the WTO. So it was Uruguay round when the TRIPS agreement came into existence, and it provide copyright rights, geographical indications, industrial designs, integrated circuit layout designs, patents, new plant varieties, trademarks, trade names, and disclosed or confidential information. So these are the things which can be provided under the TRIPS agreement. So this was it, and in the end of prelims MCQ, and people need to tell me the answer in the comment section. The TRIPS agreement is associated with WHO, WTO, World Bank, or none of the above. I think an easy one, and many a times we have seen that UPSC can ask these kind of questions. The fundamental rights, fundamental duties, and directive principles from polity aspect is being asked directly. From economy also we have seen the direct questions can be asked with, like for example, the promissory notes, that is the P notes question was asked, which was very basic and people got it wrong. Then there are many a times the full form is also being asked. So this shows that how clear the people are with absolute basics. So give me the answer in the comment section, and that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet next time, keep reading, keep writing, and keep subscribing to the channel. Thank you.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.